Hello and welcome back to our channel. Are you ready to master Azure's command line magic? In this tutorial, I will show you step by step how to create a virtual network or VNet in Azure using Easy command. Whether you are new to Azure CLI or looking to sharpen your skills, this video has you covered. Stick around and let's dive in. What is VNet and why it is important? VNet stands for Virtual Network. As the name suggests, this service allows you to create network infrastructure in your cloud. VNet allows you to securely connect the resources like virtual machines, container, databases, and enabling seamless communication. Think of it as the backbone of your Azure networking. Before we begin, make sure you have following things in place: an active Azure subscription, Azure CLI installed on your machine. Check out my video on how to install Azure CLI, link in the description. You should be logged in using the command easy login. Ready? Let's get started. In this tutorial, I will set up this network infrastructure. Under this subscription, I will be creating a resource group dev-labs-rg. Under this resource group, I will create a virtual network or VNet with the name dev-main-vnet. This VNet will have this address space. Under this VNet, I will create two subnets, app subnet and DV subnet. App subnet will be using this address space and DV subnet will be using this address space. These address space are coming from the main VNet address space. Important point to note here, always plan your address space to avoid overlaps with the existing networks. In case you are planning to have site-to-site VPN for this VNet, consult with on-prem network engineer before deciding the network address space. Let's get started. As per our network diagram, let's create a resource group dev-labs-rg. For that, we need to run the command easy group create. In case you are not sure about the exact syntax, for that you can take a help. Type --help. In the last, you will get one example. So as per this example, -l is for location, -n is for the name of the resource group. My resource group name is dev-labs-rg. Location is east US. Hit enter. This output confirms that resource group has been created successfully. Next, create a VNet under this resource group. For that, we need to run the command easy network vnet create. Again, if you are not sure about the syntax, use --help and get the exact syntax. Let me copy this command. All right, let's replace this parameters as per my setup. So hit enter. Output confirms that provisioning of this VNet in this resource group is succeeded. Next, we will be creating two subnets. But before that, let's list the endpoint services for the VNet that I can attach to my subnets. For that, you can run the command. So in East US locations, these endpoint services are supported. So let's assume I want to use first two endpoint services in the subnets. Now create the subnet. For that, you need to run the command easy network vnet subnet create. You can use hyphen hyphen help. Copy this command. So this command will create app hyphen subnet under the resource group dev hyphen labs rg and the main VNet. This subnet will be using service endpoints like Microsoft.storage and Microsoft.SQL. It means the request towards these services from this subnet will always be over the private network. So hit enter. The output confirms that subnet has been created successfully along with the service endpoints. Now create a second subnet. So this command will create a db-subnet with this address space under the resource group dev-labs rg and the main VNet. And this subnet is also using the service endpoints like storage and SQL. Hit enter. Perfect. Output shows that provisioning of this subnet is succeeded. It means it has been created successfully along with the service endpoints. Now validate the VNet and its subnet. Let me clear the screen first. Run the command easy network. This command will show the details about the dev-main VNet, which is created under dev-labs underscore rg resource group. Hit enter. As per the output, we have created a dev-main VNet with this address space. Under this VNet, we have two subnets, app-subnet and db-subnet. So this app underscore subnet is using this address space, and for db subnet, this is the address space. And you can see in these subnets they are using service endpoints, that is Microsoft.storage and Microsoft.SQL. Alright, that's all from this video tutorial. I hope you have found it useful and informative. Please do like the video and subscribe to our channel for more tech tutorials like this. Thank you. Bye. Have a nice day. See you in the next video.